and it went distance from side to side, or the width. Okay? Let's go to Genesis 13 and 16. And here, this is God talking to Abraham. And then, he had made a covenant. He had told Abraham to get up and go out of the country. And Abraham did what Abraham did, took Lot with him. And so this is actually where we're reading right now when God goes back and renews the covenant that he made with Abraham. In verse 16, it says, "And I will make thy seed as the dust of the earth, so that if a man can number the dust of the earth, then shall thy seed also be numbered. Arise, walk through the land in the length of it and the breadth of it, for I will give it unto you." So he's measuring out some things for Abraham because of his obedience. Now that Abraham was lined up, he's telling him, look, here's what I'm going to do for you. The length, listen, he says, walk through the length of it and the breadth of it. So the length and the width, which is, if you measure it, it's almost like a square. Amen? And if so, guess what? He said he's going to do what? He's going to give it to him. I'm going to get all over in a minute. All right. So this is when God's renewing the covenant with Abraham. Okay? And I like the thing he said. Listen, he said, if you can number the sand, that just tells you how many of his descendants are going to be, how much you're going to be blessed. Can we number the sand? Listen, that's some counting. Listen, that's measurement right there. That's a count. He made a big count. We're all part of that number. Amen. Yeah. Amen. We're all part of that number. He made a promise to Abraham. And of course he kept it. Let's go to Revelation 21, 15 through 17.